Hi, Mark here. So this video is about the price list. I had a question on how to use some of the price lists. So for example, this, in fact, I'll just switch over to the main screen. So this price list here is a UK price list. This is like a basic PDF version. So it's pretty much the same as a normal price list. You've got the product numbers down the left hand side, the SKUs, product description, volume points and suggested selling prices. That's pretty much the same. There's not much you can do with that price list apart from take your prices off there, and when you order online, which you do in the UK, it'll give you your price to pay at the end. Some other prices or price lists, for example, like this one's the Namibia price list, and this is the most recent one from the 25th of March. So it looks pretty much the same as the last one. SKUs down this side, the product numbers, product descriptions, suggested selling prices. They're the ones that your customers pay. It's got the various discount levels as to what level you're at. But the question that was asked was about using the order template, which is quite a useful thing to be able to use. So if you go to the bottom of the price list, and to use this, you need to have the spreadsheet version of the price list. Normally it's in Excel, but there are other spreadsheets that sometimes might be able to use, but this is an Excel version. So you go to the very bottom of the page, you'll see it says order template. So you've got the main price list and then the order template. Click on the order template, you'll see a little box pops up, and if we just clear these boxes first of the products, so we've got a clean slate. So you're going to see at the top it's got member details, and these things you could sort of ignore these. The main thing is the discount. So the discount is what is the level that you're at the business. So if you're a member, you're obviously going to be at the 25%. So if you click on the 50, the box, click on the little drop down arrow there, and you're going to see it's going to go to see it's got 25, 35, 42 and 50. So they're the levels you're going to be at. So we'll click on the 25%. On the right hand side you're going to see these red parts. So this is the Namibia price list. So you're going to see this box that says walk-in pickup. Click on that box, you get another drop down little upside down triangle. If you click on that, you've got two choices: walk-in, which is when you collect from the collection center, and then ship and delivery is when your order is sent to you or sent to your customer. So if we use walk-in pickup as an example, and from the main part of the price list, you'll see on the SKU side we're going to use the top item. It's going to be the vanilla F1 shake. So the code is 041, which is that one there. Click on the order template, click on 0141, quantity we'll say 5, and then you'll see it calculates all the prices for you. It puts in the volume points, and at the bottom of the screen it actually shows you the prices, the discount price, and also the shipping and handling. So the bottom, the red bit, is the amount that you're going to pay. So it may vary slightly depending on currency fluctuations and when which price list you have. But if you've got the most up-to-date price list, these usually stay pretty accurate. So that'll give you the price that you're going to pay. So for example, if you're go back to the main price list, so we can see that shake sale. I'll use my trusty calculator. Each shake there is 407.42, which is your selling price, times by 5. So your selling price for 5 shakes will be 2,037 rands on this list. So if we go back to the template, you'll see at the bottom now for the same 5 shakes you're going to be paying at 25%, which is your discount at the top as a member. Then you're going to be paying 1531.22. So that's going to be your profit. So we minus that from the total, 1531.22. So for 5 shakes your profit is 505.88, which is pretty good. If you click on the same box, the 25% boxes, click on there, drop down menu, click on 50, which is the supervisor level. You'll see now it's applied the 50% discount, and now you're going to pay for the same 5 shakes 1,074. So you're making a lot more money on the same 5 shakes. You'll see some countries a little bit different. So if we go to Botswana a price list, you'll see this one. It's the same, looks pretty much the same. It's got the prices here in Pula rather than rands. The same order template. If you click on the template, same sort of, put the same shakes in there. I put 10 this time. You see there's no option this time for delivery, because in Botswana you can only collect from the collection centre, so that's why you don't get the option for that as well. So each price list you get for each country is slightly different, but basically the order template is quite useful to use to tell you what price you're going to pay. And that's really how to use the order template. So if you have any questions on that, then just ask away and we'll try and help you if you need to. Thanks, bye.